Well, howdy everybody, welcome back to more JStu. Are you guys ready for a good laugh today? I am, because you know what? You gotta laugh daily, am I right?
Laugh daily, every day. That's what we're here for.
Well, Andrew, tell them, what do we got going today? What idea do we have in the can?
So, this restaurant opened up fairly recently. It's called the Fat Shack, and they just have a bunch of like deep fried stuff, which I never tried it.
I never tried it either. I seen it, I was kind of disturbed. I was like, what is this?
Yeah, I was like, I don't think I ever want to eat there. But we're gonna try it out today, but in a different way.
So, let's get the day started and show you what's happening. Whoa. Yeah. Oh, wow, look who's here.
Hello.
Nick. Chick-fil-A, good choice.
Yes. I want that. Okay.
Yeah, okay. So, we need to get into that shed thing?
Yeah. Apparently.
Lead the way, keys.
Oh. The keys are in my car. Back at Justin's.
You know the yellow key lane? The keys aren't here, guys.
Oh, no.
Whoa, guys. What?
Huh?
That's what Nick said.
Yeah.
So I'm just filming.
He wanted to point this out.
Well, it was actually snowing earlier today, and now it all melted, so. So, do you guys remember our huge muscles video? We have these Ninja Turtle costumes that we put under our clothes that make us look like really muscular big guys. So we're trying to get one for Nick, but they're closed, and this is the second store we went to. Hello.
The other one had all their stuff still in the store. They just said, sorry, we don't feel like opening and making money anymore.
Well, now what?
Party City? Party City or what?
Oh, yeah.
My name is Morgan. What can I get started for you?
7.
7.
Not a problem. Just let me know if there's any questions I can answer.
Wait, what?
She at least said second. You actually want a 7?
Uh-huh.
Number 7.
Yeah.
Okay. No.
Friends you know and everyone you meet.
We're listening to Christmas music.
You guys are gas right?
Bye.
Oh, turn it.
Bitchness.
I'm about to dive in. Oh.
How's that meal?
Oh, it's nom nom nom.
Yeah. So, since Andrew's eating, I'm just getting a quick beverage inside Whole Foods because guess what? They came out with this new coffee. It is absolutely so good, insane. Hear this. It is nitro brewed maple coffee.
Cold brew. It's one of these. Sweet. Thank you.
Oh yeah. What do you think?
That's good.
Isn't it insane?
Yeah.
Because they told me that they not only they soak the beans overnight or whatever it is overnight, but they use maple syrup.
Really? So good.
Nitro brew, dude. Oh. Here we are, Party City. They better have something. Okay.
Okay.
We found a muscular Spider-Man muscle shirt. That might fit you. Try it on.
Okay.
Oh, it's just the shirt. That's pretty nice.
What?
It fits. And you look huge.
Ah. Oh yeah, we need a hoodie on top of that.
Yep.
Oh man.
You'll fit right in with the muscular boys.
All right.
We can be the bicep sisters. Taking a quick stop back at the house to upload the newest Goof Squad gaming video. Guys, go check it out. Goof Squad Gaming. We have a gaming channel. It is funny. And we got his keys finally.
Yes.
So we can go do this. We are back. Finally got the keys. Andrew!
Hey.
Nick!
No, it was you. Yes, it was.
Who was it, guys? Sorry. Anyways.
Oh.
Whoa. We're in the secret thing in here.
Hey!
Do not. Oh, that would be a good prank. You could have easily locked us in there.
We got Santa. Oh. But more importantly,
Yes, you still do have them.
well, yeah.
Bring them out. Okay, it is time to change into the outfit. So you ready for this? 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. Let's check it out. We all got our... That's a little... Little life hack for you guys. Just buy one of these costumes and you look ripped. Check this out. Whoa. I can do that. Me too. What are we doing?
We're working out.
Oh, right.
We got muscles.
All right, now that we're all ripped, should we go pick up some of this food?
Yeah, because, you know, like, since we're bodybuilders, we have to keep our calorie intake at maximum capacity.
Yeah, trust me, guys. This place has all the calories.
Yeah, bro. We're pulling up. It's the Fat Shack. For muscles.
For my muscles.
So we need a game plan.
We're going in, we're asking what should the question be? We want the most
calories or most protein?
gains.
Or both.
Both.
Most calories and protein. Whoa!
What?
Oreo, deep fried Oreos.
That's for dessert, fellas.
Try some more deep fried desserts? Oh no.
We have to get some for trying.
It is. Going good, are you?
The Travel Channel?
Cheese sticks, chicken fingers, jalapeno poppers, mozzarella sticks, french fries, onion rings. What the?
And that's just on a sandwich, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do they deep fry the whole sandwich too?
So, are we just gonna get a sandwich to split with me and my friends?
But if you want extra stuff on it, you can do that too.
Ready to order, guys.
Me. I'm ready.
Also, a order of deep fried Oreos for dessert.
Alright. 3 or 5 for that.
3. Yeah, man.
Get a picture of me on the wall. I got you, dog. Thanks, man.
Oreos. Oh, check. And the tummy.
Thank you.
Thanks, man.
Open it up, boys.
Oh, I can smell that buffalo sauce. You smell it? Gosh. I'm so curious to see what this looks like.
Keep in mind, this has matzo sticks, french fries, what else? Onion rings, mac and cheese balls,
Dude.
chicken fingers.
What in the world?
Oh, this looks insane for gains.
Yeah. Oh yeah. My biceps love this sandwich. Now let's give her a bite.
Well, hey,
There's a lot going on in this sandwich.
too many flavors you can't fully describe.
Yeah.
One thing we didn't ask is how many calories are in this and how many grams of fat as well.
And protein.
Like, you may die if you eat these very often.
Probably.
Yeah, probably.
There's a big chicken tender.
Yeah. Don't forget dessert, guys. Coming up soon.
Deep fried Oreos, boys.
Got the dessert.
We got the deep fried Oreos here. I'm kind of scared, to be honest.
Whoa.
This tastes pretty good.
I guess.
Smells like a funnel cake.
Yeah, it kind of did taste like it. Take a bite, bro.
All right.
Like, the Oreo is soft, too. It was like... I think we're ready to go work out, guys. Like, this is a pre-meal. This pre-meal is going to set us up for success in the gym for big muscles.
And then I can't wait for dinner later.
Yeah, this is just the pre-appetizers, right?
Yeah. Literally all the appetizers just in the sandwich.
Yeah, let's look at this mess right here.
Oh, gaga.
Some goodies in there.
Oh. Over. I need the calories.
You got your creatine? Yeah, let's go work out. Okay, we're back in the car. Honest opinions.
I understand some people like that food, but I don't.
You guys know we're usually on the health train when it comes to eating. We try and choose more healthy options, but this is the epitome of the word
Fast food employees.
gosh. That is just
Heart Attack Central.
Just don't go there too often if you like it.
yeah, I don't recommend it, but wow, we did try it, so
Yeah.
I think we need to go work out.
Let's go.
Man, I consider my life nothing. If I can just finish the race and complete the job the Lord Jesus gave me, I'm still here to tell the world his message. Romans 1:16, I'm unashamed. I'm not ashamed. When you see me, know that. When I'm out in these streets, know that. I'm unashamed. Esa vaina da buena. Esa vaina da buena. Esa vaina da buena.
Well, guys, we're back at the house. Feeling refreshed after that workout.
Yeah, I can't wait for dinner. I mean, we had some good snacks at the Fat Shack, so if you guys want to try it once, it's okay.
Yeah. Anyways, we appreciate you watching today, guys.
And hope you laughed. Don't forget to laugh daily.
And we'll see you back here tomorrow.
The Dr. Read this night.
Yeah, bye.